Hello everyone, this is Naini Dubey and today we are going to talk about the topic types of lines in engineering graphics. Okay, so introduction to engineering graphics. So the purpose of engineering graphics use lines to create visual representation of object and their features. The drawings serve as blueprints for manufacturing and construction. Types of line. So there are several types of lines and each line indicates its property or its advantage in engineering graphics or in any type of drawing. So different types of lines are used to represent various features in drawings. Each line type carries a specific meaning and conveys information about the object, geometry, and dimensions. And today we are going to talk about 7 types of lines. Okay, so first of all, visible line. So visible lines are like solid, represents edges of an object that are visible from the viewer's perspective, drawn with a thick continuous line. It's a thick continuous line. Purpose to define the visible outline of an object, showing its shape and form. Next one is hidden lines, that are dashed lines, you can say, represent edges of an object that are hidden from the viewer's perspective, drawn with a thin dashed line. Okay, so its purpose is to indicate the presence of hidden features or edges, providing a complete representation of the object. Now center line, so long and short dashes. So line, the purpose of center line is to indicate the location of symmetrical features and facilitate accurate construction of symmetrical objects, and it represents axis of symmetry, centers of circle, and other symmetrical features. Okay, now dimension lines, so it represents the dimensions of the drawing. So thin with arrowheads represent a dimension showing the distance between 2 points or features, drawn with a thin continuous line with arrowheads at both ends. Now purpose are like to provide accurate measurements of object features and facilitating the construction and manufacturing process. Okay, now extension lines. So thin and straight, it is very thin and straight line, represent a line extending from an object's features to dimension line. The purpose is like, and it's drawn with a thin straight line. Now the purpose to extend the boundaries of a features of to the dimension line, creating a visual link for clear measurement. Now leader lines and construction line. So leader lines are to represent a line with an arrowhead pointing to a specific feature used for annotation and notes. Now construction lines are represent a line used as guide for drawings or constructions, usually light and dashed lines. Okay, conclusion is importance. So understanding different types of lines is crucial for interpreting engineering drawings. This knowledge enable accurate construction and manufacturing of object. Now applications. So these line types are used across various engineering disciplines, including mechanical, civil, and electrical engineering. Okay, so importance are, as we know, that conclusion is like, if we know the types of lines or the lines which are used, when to use, so it will be very easy for us to draw anything or on a manual line which is used by sheets and pencils. And there are 5 types of pencils, as I know. So every pencil, every line is made from different pencils, A2 and B1 B3. That's it. Thank you.